People often ask us why a custom rifle. Let's compare two 300 Ultramags, one McWhorter custom rifle, and one Remington factory gun downrange and see what we come up with. Alan, tell us about the gun.
We've got one of our 300 Ultramags in a 26-inch barrel. We've done our load development like we do on all our custom rifles for 185 grain Berger VLD hunting bullets. The other gun we're going to shoot is a Remington factory 700 and 300 Ultramag, and we're going to shoot 180 grain Swift Scirocco bullets, which is one of the more accurate factory loadings. The scope on the Remington is sighted in for 550 yards. The custom Smith & Bender with the TDS reticle is also got a line for 550 yards, so we're going to be shooting them to see which one does the best.
For this demonstration, we'll be shooting the steel deer silhouette on the right. That's 550 yards, the one on the left being 600 yards.